Hi, David Katzmeyer here with the LG 55LW9800. This is a 55-inch LED-based LCD TV. It's actually LG's best television in 2011. It's extremely expensive, and there's only one size in this series. The reason why it's so expensive is because it has an LED local dimming backlight with a full array. So translation, it's got the best LED backlight, at least in terms of the specs, available on the market. Of course, that does make it a heck of a lot more expensive than your standard LED TV. It is pretty thin, though. When you look at it from the side, LG managed to squeeze all of that technology into a really thin profile here. That's a lot due to the new nano backlight that LG says is a very thin version of the standard LED backlight. This TV also has pretty slick styling when you look at it from the front. It's got this transparent edge and these kind of sharp edges. Overall, it has a sort of jewel-like appearance. There's also a slick glass top stand, so overall this TV looks pretty good in any room. LG went ahead and slapped as many features as possible into its flagship television. There's this passive 3D technology. The cool part about that is that it comes with 4 pairs of 3D glasses, and the glasses themselves are really inexpensive compared to the 3D found on most 3D TVs in this price range. We'll get to how 3D performs in a little bit, but another big feature on this set is its internet capability. LG's Smart TV is one of the best we've seen for content selection. It has Amazon Video On Demand, Vudu, and Netflix, as well as a host of other smaller services. Pandora is missing, however, so its audio selection is not quite as good as some of the other TVs out there. The set also has very good menu design, augmented by the fact that you can drive around the menu using this slick motion-sensitive remote control. The motion controller is similar to the controller on a Nintendo Wii and gives you a second way to control the TV that actually works relatively well. The selection of picture tweaks on the LW9800 is extensive. The headline is the THX mode. There's actually 2 for 2D and 1 for 3D. This is the first passive 3D that has received THX's 3D certification. There's also a 10-point color temperature control and a full color management system, so overall the advanced picture controls are as good as any TV on the market. Around back you'll find plenty of inputs, including 4 HDMI and a PC input. There's also a pair of component video inputs, but you're going to need breakout cables to use one of them. We also appreciated the built-in Wi-Fi for this TV, which enables you to run the internet services without having to run a wire to the television. Picture quality on the LW9800 in 2D was actually relatively disappointing for a flagship TV. This TV is capable of delivering very deep black levels, but when you select the modes that do so, they sacrifice other areas of picture quality, including gamma, which makes the picture too dark, and blooming, which appears as these sort of halos around objects on screen. The best compromise is the low local dimming setting, which unfortunately doesn't have as good a black levels as you'd expect from a TV in this price range. Color on the LG was excellent, and it does have very good video processing. On the downside, its 3D does suffer from the same things we've seen on previous passive TVs, and that there's some jaggy and visible line structure. On the flip side, you do get those cheap glasses, and the crosstalk is minimal. This TV is also capable of becoming a lot brighter with 3D content than any of the other active TVs on the market. And that's a quick overview of the LG 55LW9800. I'm David Katzmeyer for CNET.